One lady come and want to learn me to speak Chinese because next week I go Shanghai, and so I want to learn to speak with all these people in Shanghai. When I go McDonald's, I want Yang Xin Chung Burger.
Okay. Well, where is she?
She come now.
Every time.
Why you come late?
I don't know.
Today I make something very special for you. Chinese dragon, American Walt Disney for JJ. Today I want you to learn me Chinese because next week I go Shanghai and I want to go inside McDonald's and order burger in Chinese.
汉堡
Hanbao.
汉堡
Hanbao.
Yes. But in China, you can see, I think a McDonald's and the KFC, they have like another.
I don't eat KFC.
Okay, so
It's-
McDonald's
Flying rat. Good
is
idea.
very big.
Very
and
big. Why you think I need very big?
Because they are so.
Excuse me, lady. Can you give me your telephone number?
打扰一下，女士，你能给我你的号码吗？
Dana Ishushu, can you give me Homa Dama Mom? Telephone number. Homa Mom. Give me your telephone number because I want to send SMS to you. I want you. If I want cigarette, what I speak in Chinese?
我要香烟。
我要香烟.
Yes. 香烟。
香烟.
你指
But I need lighter too.
打火机。
Dark tea.
Smoke.
So 香烟 and 打火机. What about Jack? You like Jack?
Yes.
Okay, bye Jack. Go. Now you learn me Chinese.
Yes.
So now I want to learn you Danish because I know you go Denmark next week. You know how to speak good morning in Danish? God morgen.
God morgen.
Ja. Jeg elsker dig. I love you.
Jeg elsker dig. Everybody. Have a nice day. How to say that?
Ha' en dejlig dag.
Ha' en dejlig dag.
Ja.
Ha' en dejlig dag.
Ja.
Halløjsa, Stig. Ha' en dejlig dag.
Halløjsa, Yping. Ha' en dejlig dag. Ja.
For is the Chinese word is 四.
Ser.
四.
Ser. Ser.
四. So then another number 10 we call the 十. 十.
Si.
Your tongue a little bit down like a 十.
Si.
Put it together. 四是四.
But are you sure Chinese people understand what you speak when you speak you?
You know, this even is funny for Chinese people. We speak our pronunciation.
But I'm not sure Chinese people understand.
Understand?
Look.
十四是十四，
Si.
四十是四十。
I need doctor.
Then we say 知之为知之，不知为不知，是智也。
你好吗 menu?
Wow, you learn very fast.
Thank you.
我很好。Steve， 你好吗？
你好吗 menu?
我很好。你好吗 Steve？
你好吗?
Jessie， 你好吗，美女？
你好吗 menu?
我很好，你呢？
我很好，你呢？
Then you say 谢谢，don't you?
谢谢。
Sting, I think you learn very fast, and if you have any question, you can come to me. I can teach you very well Chinese.
Okay. Say goodbye everybody.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.